Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, I am Angela Rita and now I will display the result of my lab report to you. Hope you enjoy and if you have any question you can ask at the end of my presentation. Okay, so my presentation will be divided into several subchapters including introduction, goals, method, result and conclusion. The first step is introduction. Why do cells reproduce? Living things can grow because their cells divide and multiply. Because if the plant will grow up, it will have many cells. Cell will reproduction occurs when the cell has reached the certain size. There are various ways of division including mitosis, meiosis, and amitosis. But now we are going to discuss about mitosis. Mitosis is a cell division event that produces two daughter cells with the same number of chromosomes as their parent cell. Mitosis occurs in somatic cells or body cells. You can look at the slide. That is an animation of mitosis. Based on the picture, we can know if mitosis has 5 stages. First is interphase, second is prophase, third is metaphase, fourth is anaphase, and the last is telophase. The observed mitotic division can use preparation from the roots of Allium cepa. Preparation from Allium cepa are easy to find and easy to make. Goals. The purpose of this activity is to observe cell reproduction in meristem tissue. Next is method. In this activity, I use descriptive method. This method can describe an object as it is, with the aim of accurately describing the fact and characteristic of the object under study. Next is tool and materials. Tools and materials are used is the roots of Allium cepa, razor blade, water, object glass, cover glass, and microscope. The procedure of this practicum is first step is to prepare the tools and materials. After everything is ready, take the Allium cepa and then slice as thinly as possible the roots. Put the slice on the slide, give us little water and cover with a cover glass. But remember, we have to make sure there are no bubbles in it, because if there are bubbles in the preparation, then the observation can disrupt. After making the preparation, the next step is observation. Prepare the microscope first. When ready, place the preparation on the microscope table and then adjust the magnification until the image is visible on the eyepiece. Look and observe the shape of the cell that are doing division. What picture have been observed on the practicum sheet? And what if the practicum is not done face to face? Like now during the pandemic, we can do practicum on campus. So the solution is online practicum. This online practicum can be done by observing picture. Like this activity, when the lecture assistant will guide us to find the appropriate picture and identify it together with the student in class. First, the lecturer gives a worksheet, then the laboratory assistant guides the practicum. Students are asked to look for appropriate image and then corrected by the laboratory assistant. In addition, students also identify it together, discuss the part, function to the uniqueness of the object observed. On the side picture of the observation of the Allium cepa root after observing the stage mitotic division. And the result is interphase, the process of preparing the storing energy by cells to carry out the division. Next is prophase, the initial stage of cell division. At this stage occurs the centrosome undergoes replication. Its centrosome will move to the opposite poles of the cell nucleus. Third is metaphase. The nucleus and nuclear membrane of the cell are not visible. The chromatids move to the center and line up the equator. Fourth is anaphase. The separation of the chromatids from the centromere then forms a new chromosome. Each chromosome is pulled by spindle fibers to opposite poles. Next is telophase. At this stage, the chromosomes have arrived at their respective poles. The spindle fibers begin to disappear and nuclear membranes also begin to form in both cells. Cytokinesis occurs on the phase of division or separation of the cytoplasm, organelles, and cellular membrane. Conclusion that I can draw: mitosis occurs in body cell. For example, it can be found in onion roots. Mitosis will go through 5 stages to finally occur cytokinesis or division of the cytoplasm into two cells. Okay, special thanks for my plant anatomy lecturer and my laboratory assistant, and thank you. If you have any question, you can ask to me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.